What's up everyone, Christian from RackNerd. Today we are diving into another essential tool inside of cPanel, the database wizard. Whether you're setting up WordPress, a content management system, or any application that requires a MySQL or MariaDB database, this tool makes the process fast and beginner friendly. We'll go through every step of creating a database, setting up a user, and assigning privileges, all with just a few clicks. Now, before we get started, make sure you're on an active RackNerd cPanel shared or reseller hosting plan. This tutorial assumes you already have cPanel access and your domain is connected. If not, just head over to racknerd.com and pick the plan that works best for your project. All right, let's jump into the database wizard. Once you're logged into cPanel, scroll down to the database section and click the database wizard. This tool walks you through 4 simple steps to get a fully functional database. In step 1, we'll start by creating a new database. You'll see a field labeled new database where you can type the name of your database, something like demo in this case. The system will automatically prefix your input with your account name. So if your account name is RackNerd TV, your full database name will become RackNerd TV _demo. Just keep in mind the total name must not exceed 52 characters. Once you've entered the database name, click Next to proceed. Now on to step 2, we'll create a database user. Enter a username for the account that will access the database. You can also call it demo to match. And again, it will be prefixed becoming RackNerd TV _demo. You'll then be prompted to create and confirm a secure password, making sure the strength meter shows a strong rating before you proceed. Once done, click Create User. Alright, in step 3, we'll assign privileges to the user for the database we've just created. You'll see a list of all available privileges, and for most use cases, like installing a CMS or custom app, you'll want to check the All Privileges option. This ensures the user has full permission to read, write, edit, and delete data within the database. Click Next Step once you've selected the privileges. And now we're on step 4, complete the task. You'll see a confirmation message saying the user, RackNerd TV Demo, was successfully added to the database, RackNerd TV Demo. From here, you'll have a few choices. You can add another database, create another user, return to the Manage My Database page, or back home to your cPanel dashboard. And that's it, a quick and easy walkthrough of how you can use the database wizard in cPanel. Whether you're setting up an application or running a custom script, this feature ensures you get your database ready in just a few minutes. As always, this feature comes included with RackNerd's cPanel hosting plans, so if you're not already hosting with us, head over to racknerd.com for fast, secure, and affordable hosting solutions. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to RackNerd TV for more helpful cPanel tutorials and web hosting tips. With that said, talk soon.